Welcome to Edneed. Our aim is to help educationists and institutions to expand over the digital platform and in turn maximize their revenue. In order to achieve that, Edneed.com provides you with tools that help you ease your growth with a little effort as possible. The primary tools for accomplishing that are website development services, learning management system, study material, Edneed learning community, and digital marketing. The basic principle that Edneed follows is that if it takes more than one click, it's a badly engineered technology. Keeping that in mind, Edneed has been built by the most experienced and talented professionals of Silicon Valley and India to make our platform effortless to use. With a single click, you can fulfill your educational needs and expand your educational perception with the most optimum use of time and resources. Since time and tide waits for none, we emphasize on saving your time by making our platform effortless to use. Let's introduce you to the world of Edneed. In this video, you will learn about the Edneed LMS, which is loaded with the features that will fulfill your institute's needs. Here is an overview of Admin Dashboard. Then comes our service that has kept institutions all over the nation running despite several crises. Our LMS platform. Unlike any other, Edneed's LMS provides you not just a web-based interactive platform, but takes your entire institution onto a virtual level. Whether you are an institute, an admin, a teacher, or a student, our platform provides you with an ease like never before. After setting up your institution, the next step is creating the classroom. While clicking on the classroom, from here you can create new classrooms for your institution. And here you can see the subjects in that classroom, the teachers and the students assigned in that classroom. After creating the classrooms, the next step is to invite the teachers who will going to teach in those classrooms. You can invite from here. There are two options available. You can invite them either manually or you can send them the bulk invite while uploading the Excel sheet from here. In the same way, you can invite the students from here. You can either invite them manually or you can send them the bulk invite. Now we come to the component that helps teachers and educators in unfurling their feathers of knowledge for students to get the kind of attention and guidance they deserve, the Edneed study material. Edneed study material functions as a course builder where a teacher can build extensive course packs and reach out to their students in need. From here, the institute admin can upload the study material. This is an admin's dashboard where we learned how a website details can be changed or edited, or how he can add classrooms, how he can invite teachers and students, and how he can add the study material.